purified water and water for injection is one of the main inputs in the pharmaceutical industry. It is extremely important that the water be free of any bacterial contamination or pathogens. The POU water generated would surpass the required standards, but it is equally important that the quality is maintained during the storage and the distribution of the water in the premises. The water from the generation system is stored in a tank with internal surface which is electropolished, to a spherical head which is fully drainable, and accessories like vent filter, level sensor and rupture disc. The sanitary pumps are then used to transport the water to the various points of use in the premises using SS316L electropolished pipelines. To reduce bacterial growth, the temperature is maintained between 80 degrees to 85 degrees Celsius using a heat exchanger. The distribution loop return has instruments like flowmeter to maintain velocity to greater than 1.2 meter per second using a VFD, conductivity, temperature and a DOC meter to make sure that the water quality is maintained. However, the point of use requires the water at room temperature, and hence we require a localized heat exchanger. Komal point of use heat exchanger employs the latest technology to efficiently cool the POU water using a parallel loop. When started, it can instantly dispense temperature-controlled water as per the design flow rates. The HE on the panel can be used to start or stop the water flow and the chilled water flow. It also shows the temperature of water and the dispense times. When not in use, the continuous flow is maintained, thus avoiding the bacterial growth. The heat exchanger has low pressure drop, hence low energy consumption. The HMI shows all the important parameters and can be accessed remotely or can be integrated into any building management system. The heat exchanger operates in a countercurrent manner which increases the heat transfer. All contact parts are SS316L, with less than 0.5 micrometer RA value and ASME BPE compliant. The entire storage and distribution system is fully tested and validated before shipment, and all the necessary documents like the DQ, IQ, OC and manuals are provided with the system.